What's up, you guys? It's Bethany here. Today, I'm going to be trying this soft-filled cinnamon toast crunch bar. So, yeah, last night, I don't know if y'all have read, but I walked for 30 minutes to get school food, or like school lunch food. And so, this is one of the things I got. I just warmed it up, and so it is soft bread filled with cinnamon. Did not know that word. Jeez. But yeah. That's what it looks like. It kind of looks like peanut butter. Let's see. That's hot. Mm. It's good, but it's just hot. It's good, it's just hot. But yeah. I got carrots. Got like 3 muffins. It was a banana chocolate chip muffin. Yeah. And then I got 2 of these. Yeah. Yeah. It was a good walk. It was like, I'm gonna say, it was like 30, hold on. It was 40, like, 47-ish degrees when I went walk. And I was dumb enough to not have my stun gun. And it was dark, so. Yeah, it was like pitch black. Didn't have a belt, didn't have my stun gun. I had my jacket, and I just took off and walked on the phone with Cole. Well, yeah, I could have been smart enough to at least have my stun gun on me. But yeah. They tear into little pieces. But yeah. But that's it for today's video, y'all. No. I'm trying to think. What all did I do yesterday? Yesterday, I just stayed home and watched Zoe 101 on CBS. The CBS app that my brother is letting me use. Then, yeah. And then last night is when I went and, yeah. But, yeah. Let's see. Talk to Cole. Trying to think. I talked to Cole. Drank a whole gallon of milk, eating hot fries. I What else? I don't know. I can't think of what else I did. But that's it for today's video, y'all. But yeah. So see y'all later. This will be going up today because it's a vlog type thing. But yeah. But yeah. Yeah. I liked these when I was in school. Well, I didn't like it when we were in school. But yeah. I like it now since I'm able to warm it up to my own temperature. But yeah. That's it for today's video. I wanted to do this. Yeah. So yeah. I'm recording this on. Damn it. It's election day, so it's the 3rd. Oh, now I wanted to. There we go. It's 58 degrees out. Are you serious? Okay, it's Tuesday, November 3rd. Damn it. Okay. And it's 58 degrees outside. So, yay. I just went out there and it's not that bad. But yeah, I do gotta hurry up getting this though, because I'm to my limit. But don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe. Also, hit the bell so you can get notified when I post. Also, don't forget to share on social media with your friends. And that's it. Bye, guys.